The Backpacker's Guide to Kenya's Public Transportation System. Welcome to Kenya. If you're a backpacker exploring this amazing country, you'll need to master its public transportation system. From colorful matatus to scenic train rides, I'm here to give you the ultimate guide so you can move around like a local. Let's start with the most common way to travel: matatus. First, matatus, the backbone of Kenya's transport system. Matatus are Kenya's famous public minibuses, and they are everywhere. They're affordable, fast, and come with booming music and creative graffiti. But they can be overwhelming if you're new. So here's what you need to know: how to identify matatus. Each matatu has a route number and destination painted on the side. They're usually 14-seaters or 33-seaters. How to board a matatu. Go to a matatu stage, bus stop. Conductors, makangas, will shout out destinations. Confirm before boarding. No fixed schedule. They leave when full. Paying for your ride. Fares range from 50 Kenyan shillings to 200 Kenyan shillings, 0.20, 150, depending on distance and time of day. Payment is mostly cash, though some use mobile money, M-Pesa. Always have small notes to avoid issues with change. Inside, you'll experience loud music, LED lights, and sometimes even free Wi-Fi. If you're carrying a backpack, keep it close. Tips for backpackers. Keep your valuables secure. If unsure, ask locals or the conductor. Avoid rush hours, 7 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 7 p.m. to skip overcrowding. 2. Boda. Bodas and tuk-tuks. Short distance options. For short distances, you have two great options: bodas, motorbike taxis, and tuk-tuks, three-wheeled auto rickshaws. They're quick and convenient, but they come with risks. Bodas ideal for quick trips, especially in small towns and rural areas. Cost between 50 Kenyan shillings to 300 Kenyan shillings, 0.40, 2.50, depending on distance. Always wear a helmet. Ask the rider to provide one. Pro tip: negotiate the fare before hopping on. Tuk-tuks common in coastal towns like Mombasa. More stable than bodas and can carry up to 3 passengers. Fares range from 100 to 500 Kenyan shillings, or 80 to 4.0. Tuk-tuks are great if you want a fun, breezy ride with some sightseeing. 3. Trains, scenic and budget-friendly travel. If you're traveling long distances, Kenya's railway system is a great choice. The most popular route is the Madaraka Express, connecting Nairobi to Mombasa. Madaraka Express. Nairobi, Mombasa train. Economy class. 1,000 Kenyan shillings, $7. First class, 3,000 Kenyan shillings, $21. Book tickets online via Kenya Railways website or at the station. It's comfortable, affordable, and you get stunning views of the savannah. 4. Long-distance buses. Affordable alternatives. For budget-friendly intercity travel, buses are your best bet. Popular bus companies: Easy Coach, Nairobi Kisumu, Nairobi Eldoret, Mash Poa and Coast Bus, Nairobi Mombasa, Green Line, Western Kenya routes. Most buses depart from major terminals, and you can book in advance online or at ticket offices. Fares: Nairobi to Mombasa, 1,500 to 2,500 Kenyan shillings, $10-20. Nairobi to Kisumu, 1,200 to 2,000 Kenyan shillings, 8 to 15, 5. Matatu etiquette and safety. Tips. Now, before you go exploring, here are some key safety tips. Do's. Always confirm fares before boarding. Sit near the door if you want an easy exit. If traveling at night, choose reputable options. Don'ts. Avoid showing valuables in crowded vehicles. Don't take matatus from unknown or unmarked stops at night. Never leave your bag unattended. Now you're ready to navigate Kenya like a pro. And that's a wrap. Kenya's public transport system can seem chaotic at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's an adventure in itself. Have you used public transport in Kenya? Share your experiences in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. If you found this guide helpful, Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. Check our website, www.dorchesterinc.com, for affordable stay and travel tips.